In this video, I'm going to go over the 9 tapping points. We start off with the karate chop point, which is on the side of your hand. Now, we only use this point at the very beginning of a tapping session. Then we move to the beginning of your eyebrow, and then we go to the side of your eye, under your eye, and then halfway between the bottom of your nose and your upper lip, and then between your bottom lip and your chin, right in the middle. And then we go to your collarbone point. So you'll feel your collarbone, and right at the ending, just drop down a little bit and you'll tap there. And then we move to this space right here on your side. For women, it's about at your bra line. And then the final tapping point is going to be on the top of your head, about halfway. And then you go back to your eyebrow and you go through the tapping points until you begin to feel a release. And it doesn't matter if you tap on the right side, the left side, or you can even tap on both. It's whatever you feel comfortable with. And you don't want to tap hard, but just enough to where you can feel it. And in my upcoming videos, I'll take you through some tapping sessions.